All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, if Snap-on has wires, it's as good as Dorman. So funny intro, but my Snap-on battery charger has died. Unfortunately, it's out of warranty before anybody says. I've had it for many years. Probably need to look up the video to tell you how long I've had it, but it's got a 2-year warranty and it's well past that. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to find a replacement battery charger. Now I have a OTC, which made by Schumacher, and I'm pretty sure the Snap-on is made by Schumacher as well. So I'll use that in the meantime, but the Snap-on's, well, dead. Anytime I hook it up, put it on anything but a trickle charge, it immediately pops the circuit. And I mean immediately pops the circuit. It was really fun climbing over this toolbox to reset the fuse. You know, the shop reels, fun getting the ladder, climbing up there, and popping the fuse on that one. But yeah, it's done. I know I can run it off my toolbox. I have. So I know. That's why I used my toolbox. So I know it's bad. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to replace that with something on wheels. You know, the OTC is a portable one. So I have to use that for now. But just a warning, I have heard a lot of chatter about the Schumacher-made battery chargers not lasting. The OTC is rebranded, in case you don't know. I believe the Snap-on is also a rebranded Schumacher with a custom control panel for Snap-on, but don't quote me on that. I only believe it. So, you know, I'm sure there'll be 20 people in the comments going, no, it's made by yada, yada, yada. It looks like a Schumacher. It operates like a Schumacher. I think it's a Schumacher. So my OTC is probably gonna die in the not too distant future as well, because, well, I know that one's a Schumacher. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.